Entinyame nipa ana ahya ne nkom ese World Cup ayekwe Ghana yenkobo hwe na yanwe ne game ba akokora ana nkom hye no abusia amem osofo adwalai Prophet Eric Uche bu ahia abusia no kokwa pai na ode so bo na ebo Ghana bloggers ese bloggers na je se yakoji sika yatua bloggers kind of bloggers go after him all because nkom so de ba ye on 29th of April 2026 about Ghana Blasters any World Cup ayekwe no o just bloggers na head na yes sabotage na aso fa betere nsie mo be mo ntrebu no atere wadwen e de amame e wo comment section ayi penya block leader mess say ni di mo o be like if you down about subscribe button some be click notification icon of latest update some be tere wadwen de amame e wo comment section oba so a na chef first anya bia hwe na me kanfo nala money send up and amount o UK o USA o person send this ka ebe fia enfa nkomo mo agent bia na mo no wa twe apreto phone so na send or say o send this ka use my promo code Penya TV na on chow eku $20 free or the chow on pay na open the eya nala and obia eyisu. Let's go to the conversation. Abuja onim say Ghana Blasters ye work on in fact FIFA World Cup 2026 edition ekoso na Ghana so ye ka ho bi esi akan o man na esi akan o say Nigeria o man ko bi o me kai mo o man ko bi o bet man qualify o man ko bi but Ghana ye gina mu na no Ghana de ye o man ya say tournament bi because na se ye hu wo mu bia eya na omamuru nyina ye de akoma pa edi team nachi ese team no nkonkofo nkunde emra eti World Cup ayekwe in fact do ya mra ntie ne yadwa wo mu kakra se be ne dai yadwa team no because ene bi nkoye nipa bo mu je ball na ase omu oncheni no mu ball nkwase abo sa na onumpadifo akomedi agoro enya fe but ye de ani wo mu yentimi so enyi omu ma eti Ghana de ye wa akoma pa edi my because of that no tournament no ye support omu gidi na nam sent no eya na asofo no so de nkom hye bibiba Wednesday twam ya na Ghana ye boy your first game against Panama in BMO Sports Field Toronto, that is Canada mountain so let's say boy your first game na before hono no before the na nkom hye de bibirebe na asofo no edi bi aba na emo ba akwa ne de edi nka ba ye beforehand eye Prophet Eric Uche buahe ono na be kaya time wana ye bebo UEFA Champions League finals no Oja na so them edin come shiri by na it was surrounding the UEFA Champions League finals no any World Cup ayeba be ko Ghana is participation in the World Cup e ho no and we can same way
sa Ghana for me hu omo fi se bi agbo World Cup we lose all the matches I'm not joking with humility I'm so running more so soon to me a week. They don't my Ghana. He's so soon at the more. I'm not joking. That's the police in Ghana. Hey, oh wow. Me they can. Now.
Wow. But Ghana World Cup ne de ye pekura ye nya akọ ne ye nkobo bra bia ho ye nkobo hwe ye nkobo hwe ho ndi ye pekura na head Ghana ye fa nko support nko nkete police ne ye nya World Cup no na bazo bia maso ye nya akọ but na ne nkom se for Ghana Blasters in the World Cup it is still hanging in the air ye nyina ye twen ko beka se ye winning match ba akokra Brabu so nyame chade Wednesday anadwo 11 PM ene Panama edisi akan e wo BMO Sports Field Toronto Canada mountain so calibranchi 90+ minutes etimi secure Ghana win o maye chese unexpected goal bi ema ahomka eba o man ni mo o man enije be ema that day in fact there were videos upon videos as amoja celebrate here chese na enije aba o man ni mo pa na enye fere na sa kwa ese enkom hye na also for Prophet Eric Uche buahe ede ba ye no esibu so enkom hye na ato ampa ho etra media na so amanfo go after so for amanfo twa na chi ma say also na say won wo hwe wudi wafu na beka say na so also nkwati nsam no firi fa also beterebu but also se da bi Ghana for no mu ye nya atwom also beka so mu nya atwom say ye no kre onu na kan ye say ball no tournament na ye kon ye win match ba akokura o kan onu na kan ye.
Listen to me. I am not a small prophet that you can just swipe and now share Juma Mami. Internet does not lie. Videos does not lie. There are dates and times that does not lie. Now listen. I stood here and I gave a prophecy 4 months ago that Ghana, World Cup, they will never score or they will never win any country.
But all the conditions about home, and yes, and penny for the humia, you know, and
I said to them, we have to pray for them. In fact, they should even come and see us for us to pray for them.
So Chim say, and penny for the baby huno. And penny for the huno, and to a empire be the mawomu, and my boss sal chira mutinka. Martin wasn't here losing ya rene.
Now listen to me. We prayed for the team. Do you think Sabi Bejina Haka? No. Do you think Sabi Biani Bejina Haya Church? And I'm a minor prophet to come and stand here and talk about it. Then I came to stand here again. And I make a declaration that we should pray for the team. Now, I don't know. Obia me on my papa. Metina Hose, me my call, Anya Mia Mammy Adom, Sunsumadia. Now, I stood here and I declared a prayer, and the whole church prayed. Those of internet, those social media, we all pray, and I declared 3 days fasting for the nation, for the match, for the country. And I said the Panama match is the only way Ghana can pass through. Go and check the records. Now, it has come to pass. Even though 2 hours before I posted on my personal page. That is why I'm telling you, internet does not lie. And I said, Ghana nyame akasa THE na America. Ghana nyame why day wakasa. Yampaya ni fast na and you made the team is winning. Go and check on my friend Prophet Eric Uche. Go and check my personal page on Facebook. Me chiniba. Ghana nyame akasa meaning my shabo na wie ya bo wie me hu se nyame akasa.
And was that why I say bloggers no more can say video we dinner tembo na tinyina. They are all paid bloggers. Just say you tell muka as a say on no ministry. When is some also for a kind.
And more as for now. Jealousy na dia mutimi shenkom. You guys were quiet. You couldn't talk. Now Ghana winning yano. Back of an old video I can't say. Ghana Echo World Cup na mutimi show bia. 4 months ago. Now listen to me. Yes, shenkom funny pahon. But sorry say, asamu beton, ube wu, and now asambe sebiba, and now ube nya ejuman po, ube nya promotion po. Now one mohon paya and nya ejuma. Aso fu juma ne dey. Adi fu juma ne dey. Adi fu juma ne say obi wa how. Not the aba won chain. Not true nyame adom. And nyame to me or the amount. Now we pray for our country and there's a victory. Because we know different. And now what's in come there? What has Mama Nesida? Go and check my prophecies. Even this year, do you know how many prophecies? I stood here and I said it on 31st night and we are in June. Do you know how many prophecies? Over 25 prophecies. It has all come to pass, both Ghana and outside Ghana. Now listen to me. Ghana knows me. They know I'm a true prophet. Listen to me. Ask everybody who have had encounter with me, one-on-one. and ask the person, say, yeah, sir, in trickish as also for the Biana. Listen to me. Me just software here no. My best control. Listen. Wow, we are sad and me away. When you bring me. But listen to me. Baby, and you made me do to be me hoda. And I was starting. I go for old prophecy, old video. And I want my bloggers, Sika, our ex. So the same time someone post to no now who bet my brother say? Who bet my woman say? Whoa, wait. See, you can take anything from me, but not my oil, not my prophecy. And listen to me. I'm telling you, I will not stop prophesying today or tomorrow. Listen, anything that I see, I will say it. Listen, I am not a man or a prophet. And some will be cannot come you. Go and check. I've given prophecies, no prophet in Ghana said it. I was the only one, and it came to pass. So listen to me. I am not those your level. So when I speak, now who would say, as some now man can I see? I work for me old prophet. Now wait to make me say, Ghana knows me, and they know what I can do. Listen, other asofumpa almost share come out. Almost negative beginning. I actually better than no man no. Almost for even old prophets no, and they are mocking them. Why Ghana? Why? Let me say this to you. Wow, yes, I mean him. I'm in country. And be careful. Men do me would die. Men do me would die. Men bompa into our die. But we are all here. We shall see. As of for maybe I'm going to any brenti. My question go for echi. No mama bloggers because moon post to. Now officer Ghana for now officer records the one. Huh? Me Gina has a young bomb pie more mine. Obi a declare for officer Ghana for auntie. Officer money. You went to take old video and come and use that old video to tarnish me, my image, me. Now only one more mobile engine. Nyame odi chawa no dia chaw. Enya mazan na mo yeni bi. Celebrate God, church. And let me say this. Let me say this final word. Yes, you crash and come on, tie. Let me speak things to you. I can give you 8 prophets in the Bible who were the major prophets. They gave a prophecy, it didn't come to pass. It doesn't even mean they are fake prophets. But me, the entire member responding to you, they say, what person will pump and throw the shame? Now me, who shall me, who bet with this me? Now you will be able to this ground and me uche. Now me met Tina Chroma, what be trying to shame me at me. What did he say? What did he say? Who didn't throw? Me am fat. Me enye juma. Am fat. Who be pamon throw the ashame? Abra one kasa nim say old video, a new video. What giant new video na me be share nkomo. Akasa Ghana be wini na Ghana nyame akasa. Chini kasa nyame akasa. What does that mean? That means the saka the chrono. 2 hours before the match. Do you know what we did for the team? Shut up! I'm obeying someone. What is that? Young professor coming in now. I know my line here pictures. And I'm moody and wagor. Whoa, obebre. Whoa, obebre. When I see young men on Facebook, no omo dia to no omo moke, no omo listen to me. On quiet shot, me catch that one. Ajedia wo yɛ ne no kura. But yen tro na wedi ato me so no. Wo nkwa short. I'm telling you. There are powers in our mouth. Be careful. Be careful. You better not touch you about the prophet. Be careful. Be careful. It's okay. Celebrate God. I was so far to cry a video. A deal, matter say, I don't Ghana for money, brad, yes, sir. So for money, breno. What shall come? Now, over is and then come show money said, the heck can be a bema. Come go to an amako buy. Hey, now, this will be a Ghana for my wage. We are funny. Wouldn't so Ghana money, cast my bem. Yes, we'll be on the castle between one among. Young Cassa. I mean, just say, almost say, as a man, as a man, and now, who bet to make and try to make so? Zongo, the Akla, bet to try to make so. Me, Ebe Yajuma. Be on your feet, church. Let's pray. Let's go home.
So the word of mommy, comment section. How you penya Brock Media? Agra.